how I can enjoy the city, is that it's this concrete jungle, and there's so much to see. It's three-dimensional, it's busy. You can go up, you can go down, you can go fast, you can go slow. There's an incredible amount of detail. Everything's different, and that, in a way, in a small and imperfect way, mirrors nature. If I can put that out of my mind, I end up in an environment that is in a lot of ways physically like a jungle. The reason I feel that nature is the ideal, that it's utopia, is that it's what God has made and it's good. In a way, I see it as the archetype of design. I don't like thinking, if I could be anywhere right now, where would I want to be? Obviously, the answer is usually somewhere other than here, and I try in life to enjoy where I'm at and be content with that. Climbing is an extension of walking. There's something about that movement, whether it be a tree or rock or building that you're climbing, that is freeing. It's natural. It's peaceful. And people have made the comments that I seem to dance with the rock or whatever, and to me that's what it feels like, and that's what it makes it an instinct. You know, I hate being seen as a show-off, because I don't think that's what motivates me. I think I bring my own lifestyle to the city. I don't take on the lifestyles of the city. Nature is so important, and it's also what sustains us. We're completely dependent on trees for oxygen and the sun for energy, and it's that respect that makes me love it and care for it and want to live my life in connection with it.